What is a uvula? A uvula is a little dangly thing in the back of your throat. If you open your mouth up right now, look in the mirror, you'll see that little punching bag, that's a uvula. A uvulectomy is when we cut off a portion or all of that uvula. It's typically done for snoring more than anything else. There are times we'll do it where some folks will have a very, very redundant uvula, and we'll kind of trim it up and do a nice little tuck, and they'll have a nice little perky little uvula. The function of the uvula is somewhat unknown. It does help to kind of sweep some of the mucus in the back of the throat. When we need to address the uvula, there's always got to be a good reason to do it. And most of the time, it's a fairly low-key procedure, and it can really help the cause. Sometimes we'll do that in conjunction with other procedures to stiffen the palate to help with either mild sleep apnea or snoring.